Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you should know the answer to this math problem. You should know the mixed number answer to this math problem. Now, I'm not going to give you the answer X and Y in this video. I'm going to give you an improper fraction answer and then use that to figure out the mixed number answer, and also for fun, give me the decimal answer as well. So PEMDAS is saying, hey, you're going to divide first. So what is 3 divided by 2? I don't know. So let me just write it in a fraction form, 3 over 2. Let's bring that plus sign down, and let's bring that 2 down, but let's write it in a fraction form. 2 over 1 equals 2, does not change the 2. And then let's bring that times 9 down, but let's write the 9 in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. And now we're looking at this, and according to PEMDAS, multiplication goes first. So what is 3 times 9? What is it? 27. Good job. Over 2 times 1 is 2. And this cannot be simplified further. This is it for that part. So I'm going to erase this part we don't need, and then write the 27 over 2 closer to the 2 over 1 plus sign. And notice that the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method, and I want to use a different color for this. So we're adding 2 fractions with different denominators. So here is the first wing and the first antenna. 2 times 2 is 4. And then here's the other wing, and here's the other antenna. 1 times 27 is 27. And here's the body. 1 times 2 is 2. So that will be our denominator, our new denominator. Now we need to figure out the numerator, and then that should help you figure out the x and y. So what is 4 plus 27? 31, right? 27 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 2 plus 1 is 3, so 31. And this cannot be simplified further. This is it. This should help you figure out the x and y, and this is the hint. That 2 is this 2. And you're going to use long division. Let me just write that on the other side of the board. And so that way you can see what I mean. So it'll be 31 over 2. And you can't write the answer on my board, so please put those in the comment section down below. What is x and what is y, or what is the mixed number answer? And then for fun, give me the decimal answer, and that improper fraction answer should help you. So the 31 will go inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend, and the 2 is the divisor. And there you go. And here's the happy face. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I'm trying to upload 15 videos before midnight. So please make sure you hit that like button on every single video that I upload to help me beat the clock. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.